All right, this is a smart radon gas detector, which is really, really neat and very valuable to have in your house. I have mine set up right here. You want to keep it like kind of centered in your basement. This has a logger built into it, so it comes actually with a little micro SD. You don't want to block any of these areas here because this is where the air comes in. You can see on the top here, you have your real time, you have your 7 or short term, and then you have your long term, which is 7 days. Okay, you can see the measurement time. Mine's been going for 2 days and 6 hours and 35 minutes, which is really nice. And if it goes high, this actually, I've tested it before, this will turn red if it gets too high. And it actually has an alarm built in. You can also connect this to an app using the smart things. They also come with another app. I didn't do that, but you could connect it to your phone, so you can also, monitor from your phone as well. And yeah, it comes with the adapter. You do have to plug this in, of course, into the wall. But yeah, this is the radon detector. You can see the size of it. It's pretty small, not the biggest, not the smallest. But yeah, this is the guy right here. You can actually just turn off if you don't want to see the light, you can do that. And it does keep all the measurements. And there you go.